y'all. So what I'm using today is these colorful hair clips from Amazon, this Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, some Wet Line Extreme Gel and a wide tooth comb, and some Vicky B's Hair Honey. If you don't know about it, you need to know about it. So I am starting off on some really frizzy, really dry hair that is from an old wash and go that I just put up in a puff like I always do. And now we are going to start by saturating all of my hair just so I can work with it and put it into 6 sections. These sections I am going to be working in during this entire process. Because my hair is so thick, I have no choice. I have absolutely no choice. I have to work in sections. Look how thick it is. It's crazy. And this is before even doing anything, before rinsing all of the product out and all of that. And I would say that my hair is like 4B, 4C. A little more on the 4C side, you know, because my edges is kind of kinky, but I do have some really nice curls. The links to these hair clips will be in the description box. Once my hair is in sections, I'm going to start off by co-washing using the OGX. It's whatever conditioner I really had. I'm not really too focused on these products. I'm just showing y'all the process. So I'm detangling and co-washing each section and pinning them back down because I said I'm working in each section, and I'm doing that all around. Of course, before I'm putting the conditioner, I'm rinsing off all of the old product from the old wash and go. Now that all of the conditioner is in, I am moving on to the next step, which is washing out the conditioner, or rinsing out the conditioner, and then adding the leave-in conditioner, and then adding the Eco Styler. I mean, wow, that was mad disrespectful. Not the Eco Styler gel, the Wet Line Extreme. Instead of using the dimming brush this time, I'm just trying to see how my curls will come out if I just work the product in using my fingers only. So that's what I did. As soon as I am stepping out of the shower, I'm gonna add some of that Vicky B's hair honey to my hair just to attempt to seal in all of the moisture. And I'm also adding some to my scalp to keep my scalp moisturized because I have issues with dandruff, and Vicky B's hair honey definitely helps with that. And these are what the curls look like right out of the shower. Now I will say I do have some heat damage, and the products that I'm using are not perfect, but this is what my curls came out like a few hours later. I think about 5 hours later, and they're still pinned down. So now I have to go take the clips out and then fluff out my hair so that it doesn't look crazy. And before I did this, I did actually take the blow dryer and stretch it out a little bit and make sure that all of or most of my roots were dry. And this is the results that day. All of my curls, all of my heat damaged and non-heat damaged curls. As you can see, one side looks better than the other, but that's cool because it's still cute. And this is actually the next day. I wanted y'all to see what it looked like after I slept on it. I had my bonnet on and I put them in little sections. So yeah, this is what it looks like after a night. And this is an up close. And that is how I refresh and redefine my old wash and goes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.